So next week, we're going to start manually removing the old Google Drive from computers. If you did the file stream correctly, you will not lose anything, but let's look at 3 quick things we can check to make sure that we're ready for this migration. The first is when we click on the arrow, we should not see the old Google Drive icon. Instead, if we click on Drive File Stream, we should see that everything is up to date and that we're all synced in. The second thing we'd like you to check is to click on your Windows icon and go to your Files Explorer. Make sure that under this PC, and again, if your computer looks like this, you may have to click the drop-down arrow. Make sure under this PC you have a Google Drive file stream. That when you clicked, has all of your files there. If you have an old Google folder, I've got the new one up here, but if you have an old one sitting here, and you might, click on it. That old folder should be empty if it's the old Google Drive icon in front of it. Okay? This is just quick access, so if I click here, it should look just like the one we found under our C drive. And then the last thing is, did you remove the old Google Drive? We right-click on the Windows icon, we click Apps and Features, we scroll down, we see the new Google Drive file stream right here, and we do not see the old one up in here. If you do, uninstall it, or that is what we'll be manually uninstalling next week to make sure. Google will sunset this very soon. We just need to make sure everyone has their files safe by checking those 3 quick things. Is everything up to date? In File Explorer, under this PC, do we have a Google Drive file stream with everything in it? And if we right-click and go to Apps and Features, can we find the new Google Drive file stream? And is the old one gone, or we will uninstall it for you. Get a hold of myself or Mr. Earl if you need any assistance, but remember, this is all going to go down late next week. Thank you.